Well, so now we're in the desert and it's super hot. I did go to Los Angeles, but I didn't film anything there. Now we're here. So last time I went up here, I think this time I'm gonna go up there. Maybe my raincoat will keep me from getting sunburned. It's just so hot. Like, it's too hot for a raincoat. So in case I get lost later, I need to go that way. This is very difficult because it's super hot and sand is just getting into my shoes. So I'm just getting really hot. Wow, this dune is completely untouched. I'm gonna ruin it with my footsteps. So my drone landed in the dune, and I think there's sand in the motors. I hope it'll be okay. The only tracks on this dune are my own. It's really cool. It's a sand avalanche that just started. Alright, so we are parked somewhere way back there. So I think we're gonna run down this. My shoes are completely full of sand. Oh my god.